Good everyone, welcome back. We have rules of the use of logarithms. That is, there are some rules you need to consider before doing some mathematical expressions in logarithms. Like multiplication, for instance, you have log 58.32 times log 38.32. You can't just multiply this directly. What you need to do is get the logarithm of this, that is the value, let's say x for instance. Then that of this, let's say y is the answer for instance. And then you do what? You add. You add the answer together and then you are done with that. Then number 2, we have division. Find the log of each number, then subtract the log of the denominator from log of the numerator. That is log 58.32 over log 38.32. This is the question. What you need to do is to just look for the logarithm of this, say x, look for the logarithm of this, say y. Then instead of you to do the normal division, you just say x minus y. That is, subtract the value after you've done the logarithm, value of y from the value of x. Alright, for powers, find the log of the number and then multiply it by the power of the index. That is log 58.32 raised to the power 3. What you need to do is look for the logarithm of this, that is the answer. Once you get that, then you multiply it by 3, that is the power of 3. Say x times 3. Now for the last one, we have roots. You are given fourth root of log 58.3. What you need to do is go and get the logarithm value of 58.32. Then you divide by 4. Say x over 4. Thank you. See you next class while we take our examples.